Prenatal Warrior 2. So come to standing in front of the mat, hand to the hips. Step the right foot back. Then from here, wiggle the front foot out or back foot out to the side so you have a nice supportive stance here. Back foot pressing down to the edge of the heel. 85-degree angle, front knee bend 90, tracking second toe. Inhale, lifting the chest, lengthening the spine, bring the arms out to the side. Shoulder down and away from the ears, but still lifting the ribcage away from the hips. Take deep breath here, gazing at your middle finger. Hold here for 5 to 10 breaths, or even longer if you feel comfortable. To come out, you release the hands to the hips. Step forward or straighten the front leg, heel toe toward each other. Come back to front of the mat to start the other side.